everybody, it's Alexandra here at Leisure RV Center DFW, a dealership, a part of Vogt RV, where we house our Day One service initiative and throw our members into our VRV family membership for 12 months on us. Today, I'm super excited to show you guys, we have the remote vans lineup. So from their Friday, Oasis, and their Aegis line, I am super excited to show y'all. We're gonna start with the outside first, and then we'll go around on the inside. So let's get started. So we're gonna start here with the Friday series. Typically you'll see this with orange decals. However, we have chosen the dark mission mode, making it more of a neutral color, having your black decals and then your silver inlays on the inside. Standard throughout all three models, you're gonna have your tire carrier on the back, your Owl Van steps on the side, and then your Owl Van's ladder as well, plus the leaf springs of the heavy duty leaf springs on the back. All right, so we're gonna start up here in the cab portion. All of these are built on the Mercedes chassis. So you have the 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine in here. You're gonna have all of your safety features, adaptive cruise control, CarPlay from Android and Apple CarPlay. And then the biggest one that I truly love is gonna be your digital rearview mirror, because for me, I have this in my car, but to be able to see what's constantly behind you and have that picture, it's phenomenal. But I'm gonna have all the other safety features posted right next to me, so please pause and make sure you read over those. Now let's head to the back, come on. All right, so we're gonna start with the Ben Hollow seat first. So this is super cool because this is gonna act as another bed situation in here. I'm gonna show you in a model down the line, but this can actually swivel a full 90 degrees facing out towards your door. So it's phenomenal and it's ginormous, very comfortable. So whoever has to sleep on this, you're in luck. Up here is going to be the Pennyworth system. In here, you're gonna control everything, your lights, be able to see your battery usage, your furnace, and all of that fun jazz right up here. This button right here is amazing because with remote vans, you are standardly equipped with Starlink. So you have all the equipment right here on your unit. The only thing that you have to do is sign up for the subscription. Now let's head to the back. I'm gonna show you guys the shower, so give me just a second. Ta-da! Now your cyber shower is set up. What's really great about this mechanism is the fact that you can take this outside and kind of air dry it, so you're not putting up a wet shower curtain whenever you have to put it back in your water box. They have the recirculating shower feature, so with that being said, you can kind of extend your shower a little bit longer and not use a whole bunch of your water. So if you're out boondocking, that's not taking away from your experience. You're just gonna put your foot over the drain there and then, well, rinse off, then put your foot over the drain and then let it fill up a few inches. And then after that, you're gonna turn off the main water pump and then hit your recirculating water pump. And that's gonna keep that hot water going and last your shower there. Right back here, we are gonna have our bed. They have the flares on the window, so this is going to sleep up to a person of like 6'7" comfortably. Underneath you are going to have your garage space. Now I'm going to show you this in a different model here because I have each bed kind of set up in a different way. But here's going to show you kind of what the bed looks like when it's down. What's really nice is going to be their control panel that's right by your bed. So if you still have some lights on, and for me, I am very forgetful even if they are on, I climb into bed and I'm like, dang, I'm really meant to turn that off. You can go right here and be able to turn all that off. You can also take a look at your power system, your furnace area, and then all of your lights as well. So everything in here is just really great. It's just a very different type of feel to these kinds of units. I feel with the colors, they really expand this space. And then just more of like your really true futuristic type of way there. Up here on the galley area, you're gonna have your no scratch surface countertop. Everything that they have in here, from your table that you're gonna hook up into your table slot, and then also your exterior table, is going to be true bamboo. And that is such a great feature because it just adds a little warmth to this kind of coach here. Your collapsible faucet here as well. And ta-da! So that's gonna be the Friday series. Let's head over to the Oasis, and I can't wait to show you those features as well. So from the Friday series, we're gonna move to the Oasis. This is their middleman. This is the one that's gonna start getting those upgrades. So already here you can see the steel bumper up front. You are also gonna have dual air compressors, you're gonna have an air compressor, and then you're gonna have dual points, one in the front and then also one in the rear. Up top you will see your LED light bar, and then you're gonna have the wind guard on those as well. The other things that kind of flow with the Oasis and the Aegis is the fact that they are equipped with a 45-gallon replacement fuel tank, which is amazing and going to get you in a long ways. And then we'll head to the back and I'll show you a few of the other little upgrades as well. Come on. So the other things that are equipped on the Oasis is that they do still have the leaf springs in the back. However, they're also equipped with the Van Compass 4.3 suspension. You also get your owl box storage, so this is super awesome to add in kind of extra things that you want to take on with you. I've seen people put Def in here, and here's going to be like your hoses for your outdoor shower and all of that fun jazz. This is going to be your B2 Owl Vans carrier, so you can add a bike rack up top on your mini Sherpa, or you can just add in another little mini storage box along with your full-size spare tire and tire carrier as well. Now I'm going to open up these doors. We're going to take a look at inside of the garage area. So here, all of your outdoor shower settings and hookups. You can see in here you have a very big space for your garage. What's also really cool is that the fact that they do a legless system. So you're going to have bars that go on top, and then your bed is going to come down on top of those. So you can still utilize this whole space with no legs impeding that garage space. Need a desk? That's no problem. You have two spots, so you're going to have your table mount up at the front, but then you can also turn your bed into another desk. Little standing desk here to be able to utilize your Starlink for that internet connection, right? Right above me, you're going to see the flush mounted AC, and this thing is so efficient. When I tell you that summers, they get hot here in Texas. I can have this turned on and it probably cool down this unit. I believe I did the test about less than 30 minutes. It's phenomenal. So you have to test it out. Now let me show you up front. Come on. All right, so as I mentioned to you guys, this is the Valhalla seat swung around in that 90-degree angle, so that way you can see outside of these doors and see the beautiful views that you were there, or really just have people at your campsite, and then that way you can have a great conversation going on. Also, that's in all of these vans is going to be the over-the-head shelving. This is super great. That's where your table's stored, or really anything that you want to store once when you get the unit, and figure out what best suits you. Everything in here is blue, so that is special to the Oasis, and my favorite color. So a couple of other things as well is that in your Pennyworth system up here, since we have the light bar up at the front and then your two smaller floodlights in the back, you have what's called the lighthouse mode. So that is going to be kind of like your security system. You hear that, turn that on, and that's going to brighten everything up. Or if y'all are out having a great time and it's dark, turn that on and the party is still going. All right, here we are at the Aegis series. So this one is going to be in a league of its own. Here, of course, you're going to have your front bumper again. You're going to have your dual air compressor points in the front and then also in the rear. Your mini LED lights to keep that party going, or just to get you through the terrain if you're traveling after dark. One thing that I did forget to mention that is on the Oasis that's kind of similar here is that you're going to have a front skid plate. However, in the Aegis model, you're going to have a skid plate throughout. Front engine, transmission, and then back in the rear. A few other little upgrades that are on the back, so come on, let's go. So back here on the Aegis, a few similar things that you're going to have on the Oasis is going to be your storage box, B2 carrier with your mini Sherpa, full-size spare tire, and then your floodlights up top as well. The key differences here is you're going to have your leaf springs, but you're going to have your Van Compass 4.3 plus suspension with the rally struts, adjustable suspension as well. And then you're going to have panel little storage compartments on either side of your unit, and then your backwoods steel bumper. So this is going to be your fully loaded remote van. But it's so amazing. All of these are really great units. I'm super excited to have these here at the company. They have been taking off and it's been a great experience and such a different look. So let's head on inside, okay? Ta-da! Now we have made it inside of the Aegis model, and as you can tell, red is for the Aegis. It is a beautiful kind of maroon type color here. Up at the front, they do reupholsterize their front seats on this model. Here you can see the Valhalla seat laid down into the smaller twin bed here for any extra sleeping, pets that just want their own room and own space as well. Other than that, everything in here is going to be a little bit similar to all of the other models that we talked about. Now let's get into some specifications here on remote vans. So you're going to have your 32-gallon freshwater tank, which is bigger than what is most across in these types of vans, and then you're going to have your 24-gallon gray water tank. You are equipped with the 51-volt Lithionics Never Die system. What I really like about the Lithionics system is the fact that there is an app, so you can see all stages of your battery, all history of your battery, and kind of have a smart shunt right then and there in your hand. You are also going to be equipped with the vent fan in here all across all models, and it also has the rain hood, so if it's raining you can still use that vent fan going down the road, raining, all of that fun stuff as well. So I'm super excited to hear about what's going to be your favorite model, what's your favorite feature along and across remote vans. So drop a comment below, let me know, and I look forward to seeing you guys. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch our videos. Along with that comment below, please like and subscribe so you can stay tuned for more videos down the line. We hope you guys have a great day and happy camping.